Hey, what's up, guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend, and also show you another niche that is starting to trend that I would recommend that you not get into. But before I get into those two niches, I just want to share with you my two print-on-demand courses that I am selling on Gumroad. So one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass, a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering merch by Amazon. It's only $19.99, and you get 16 lessons with over an hour of content. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on merch. I also have one on Redbubble as well. It's a step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble, also $19.99. And this one you get 20 lessons with over an hour of content, and it's also good for people that are new to Redbubble or for people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble. In these courses, I teach you how I find these trendy niches. I get a lot of people commenting on my videos saying, "How do you find these?" Well, I teach you how to do it in these courses. And if you take a look at my credentials on merch, you're going to see that I have over 10,000 sales, and I've made over $35,000 in royalties. I'm a tier 8 seller, and when we look at my credentials on Redbubble, you're going to see in the past few months I've done $266, $317, and $248. So if you're interested in these courses, the links will be in the description, and I'll also have them as a pinned comment. Okay, now let's get back to the content of the video, and the first niche that I want to talk to you about is going to be the one that I would recommend you do not get into. So you probably heard the news yesterday of Queen Elizabeth passing away. A lot of people are starting to already upload designs in this niche, and my recommendation would be to stay away from this niche. This is the kind of stuff that can get your account in trouble. You want to think long term when it comes to merch. In merch's terms of service, it says that we cannot profit off of human tragedy. So I wouldn't recommend getting into this niche. There's so many other niches that we can get into. We got like football season, we got breast cancer, we got Halloween coming up. Thanksgiving, Christmas. So I know it can be tempting because it can feel like, oh, I can make some quick, easy money. But I would recommend staying away from this niche and just focusing on the other niches. The niche that I have for you that I found is trending, that I would recommend getting into, would be this one right here called Patients Before Profits, or nurses that are on strike. So there is a strike going on in Minnesota for nurses. So right here you're going to see Minnesota nurses to strike as they demand better work conditions. The competition for this niche, you're going to see, is barely anything, so it's only 37 results. This is what the phrase looks like: patients before profits or nurses on strike. You can see that these designs were just uploaded just a few days ago, so September 2nd and September 5th, and they're already getting sales. You can also, if we take a look at the competition on the other print-on-demand platforms, you're going to see that they're also pretty low. There's actually barely anything, so I didn't even figure it made sense to even show you. But here on merch, you're going to see that competition is very low, and these are already selling. And when we do a trademark check to see if Patients Before Profits is trademark, we will see that there actually is a trademark for Patients Before Profits, but it's not in t-shirts, and it's not in the t-shirt category of 0.25. If you take my course, I actually teach you how to understand and read trademarks, so you can be kind of educated on how this stuff works. But right here, you're going to see that this trademark is for business adversary services in the field of assessing cost, so it's not for t-shirts. And that's why if we look at this t-shirt right here, we're going to see that they're actually using the word or the phrase "patients before profits" right here. And that's why it is live and it went through, because the trademark for this is not in the t-shirt category. And if we go to my merch account, the uploader, and we just type in "Patients Before Profits," and if we click on right here to see if it's trademarked, we will also see that nothing comes up as well. So that is the niche for today, Patients Before Profits. Now if you're nervous, you can just do something like this: nurses on strike, add in the word Minnesota. Just if this kind of stuff stresses you out. But those are going to be the two niches for today. The first one is the one that I would recommend you not get into, which is the Queen Elizabeth passing yesterday. And then this one I would recommend that you get into: Patients Before Profits or nurses on strike in Minnesota. So if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I put out videos pretty much on a daily basis about trendy niches and design ideas for merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms to make you sales. And if you're interested in any one of my courses, the links will be in the description and the pinned comment. And I would also recommend checking out my YouTube channel if you're looking for more trendy niches or other design ideas. If you go to my YouTube channel, you're going to see I have playlists, recent uploads, and I'm also going to have a video right up here of a new print-on-demand niche that barely anybody even knows about. And if you can get in early, you could have some good sales. It's an evergreen niche that should be pretty popular coming up here for Q4. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good day. Bye-bye.